Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of October 2023 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of October for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 9th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Virgo. 9th house deal with your father teaching, so your father is seen from 9th house. Your travel related matter is seen from 9th house. Your post-grad education, your second marriage is seen from 9th house. Your religious matter, your religious inclination is also seen from 9th house. So 9th house Lord is moving in your 10th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your authority in life is seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house. So right now in 9th house Lord is moving into your 10th house. So we can expect good result regarding your career related matter and your 9th house related matter, because 9th house is also deal with your fortune. Your luck is also seen from 9th house, and your luck Lord is also moving in your 10th house. So we can expect positive result from Sun in the month of October regarding your work related matter and your career related matter. You may have some increment or you may have some promotion in the month of October, especially before 17th of October, because Sun will stay in your 10th house till 17th of October. After 17th of October, Sun will move to your 11th house in the sign of Libra. So after 17th of October, when Sun will move to your 11th house, then we can also expect good result regarding your gains related matter, because then 9th house Lord will be in 11th house, and 11th house will be your gains, your incoming gains is seen from 9th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes is from 9th house. Your elder siblings is seen from 9th house. Your PR, your professional network circle and friend circle is also seen from 11th house. So 9th house Lord will be in your 11th house after 17th of October. So after 17th of October, when Sun will move to your 11th house, Mercury will also move to your 11th house on 19th of October. Means Sun and Mercury, both the planets will move to your 11th house side by side. So both the planets will be in a combust position after 17th of October. Mars is also moving in your 11th house. So Mars is also in a combust position along with Mercury in your 11th house after 17th of October. So we can expect some disturbance from your friend circle and your professional network circle in the month of October, especially after 17th of October. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 7th house and your 10th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 10th house. Means Mercury is right now moving in its own sign, in the sign of Virgo. That's why we were saying in Sun second you may have good result regarding your work related matter, because 9th house Lord Sun is also moving in your 10th house along with your 7th house Lord. So we can expect positive result regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter and your business related matter if you have any business running right now, because 7th house is also deal with your business related matter. Also 7th house deal with your marriage. Your marriage partner is seen from 7th house. Your how you meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others is also seen from 7th house, and your fame along with 10th house is also seen from 7th house. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter. Also if you have any business, then we can also expect good result regarding your business related matter in the month of October. Mercury will stay in your 10th house till 19th of October. After 19th of October, Mercury will also move to your 11th house, as we discussed previously in Sun section. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of October for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Venus controls your 11th house and your 6th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Leo. 6th house deal with your court case, your litigation, your arguments, your fight, your competition in life is seen from 6th house. Your loans, your debt is also seen from 6th house. Your daily routine and your hidden enemies also seen from 6th house. 9th house, as we discussed previously, 9th house deal with your father, your teachings of your father is seen from 9th house. Your teachers, your elders, your mentors, your lawyers is also seen from 9th house. Your second marriage is also seen from 9th house. So 9th house Lord is moving in your 10th house, but 6th house Lord is moving in your 9th house. That's why you need to take care of your father's health in the month of October. You may have to face some health issue regarding your father in the month of October, because 6th house also deal with diseases, and right now your 6th house Lord is moving in your 9th house. Also you need to take care of your teachers and advisor in the month of October. Venus also controls your 11th house, And as we discussed previously, 11th house Lord is moving in your 9th house. 9th house deals with your luck related matter. That's why we were saying in Sun and Mercury section that you may have good result regarding your work related matter and your career related matter. After 17th of October, when Mercury and Sun will move to your 11th house, then you will also have gains related to money in the month of October. Just you need to take care of your friends related matter. You may have to face some argument and difficulty because Mars and Mercury will be in a combust position in the month of October, after especially after 17th of October. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Sagittarius ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Moon controls your 8th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of October, and on the basis of 6th October we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these house, and Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon gets influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Especially problem, difficulties and issues are come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Mars controls your 5th house and your 12th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 11th house, as we discussed previously in Sun section and Mercury section. 5th house deal with your love relationship, your children is seen from 5th house, your mental abilities means how smart you are is seen from 5th house, how genius you are is seen from 5th house, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend and your fun activities also seen from 5th house. 12th house deal with your foreign settlement related matter. 12th house deal with your isolation. 12th house deal with your long-term investment, your dreams, your sleep pattern is seen from 12th house. Your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your expenses and losses are also seen from 12th house. So right now your 12th house Lord and your 5th house Lord is moving in your 11th house, and from 11th house your 5th house Lord is expecting its own house, and Jupiter is also moving in your 5th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your children's related matter if you have children right now. Also we can expect good result regarding your love relationship. But Rahu is also moving in your 5th house till 30th of October. So you need to be take care of your communication related matter when you are dealing with your loved one, girlfriend, boyfriend, because Rahu may create some disturbance, especially before 30th of October. But after 30th of October, when Rahu will move to your 4th house, then we can expect some relief regarding your 5th house related matter. Expect these results from Mars in the month of October for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. Mars also controls your 12th house, and 12th house Lord is moving in your 11th house. So we can expect you may have some gain from your foreign land if you have your elder brother, sister living there, or your relatives are living there. Also we can expect good result if your work is somehow connected to foreign land, because foreign land Lord is moving in your house of gain. So we can expect good result regarding your gains related matter and your work related matter in the month of October. Also, just you need to take care of your friend circle and professional network circle. Regarding your communication related matter, you may have to face some argument and difficulty, as we discussed previously. Also you need to take care of your father's health in the month of October. So we can expect these results for all the Sagittarius ascendant people in the month of October. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of October. First of all, as we discussed previously, Venus is right now moving in your 9th house, and Venus is just moved from your 8th house to 9th house on 2nd October in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 11th house, and Mars is just moved from your 10th house to 11th house on 4 October in the sign of Libra. Third major astrological event is that Sun is right now moving in your 10th house, and after 17th of October Sun will also move to your 11th house in the sign of Libra. Fourth and major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 10th house, and Mercury will also move to your 11th house on 19th October in the sign of Libra. Fifth and last major astrological event is that you will have solar eclipse in your 10th house in the month of October. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of October 2023 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.